If you want to delete your CapCut account permanently, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is removed completely. Step 1. Open the CapCut app. Launch the CapCut application on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the Profile or Account Settings section. This is usually found in the bottom right corner of the app, represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Find Account Management. Look for an option labeled Account Management or Privacy Settings. This section contains options related to your account. Step 4. Select Delete Account. Within the Account Management options, find and select the Delete Account option. You may be prompted to confirm your decision or enter your password. Step 5. Confirm Deletion. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm that you want to delete your account. Once confirmed, your account will be permanently deleted. After completing these steps, your CapCut account will be removed, and you will no longer have access to your data. Make sure to back up any important content before proceeding with the deletion.